Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get paid on Facebook Marketplace, right? It's very easy. First of all, you have to just log in into your Facebook account. Once you log in, on the top right side corner you will see this account section, right? Just go to the setting and privacy, then you can just go to the settings. By the way, you can just follow the instruction if you want to open it over your phone, right? It is exactly same. Then on the left side you will see account center option, right? And here it says to manage your connected experience and account settings across Meta technologies, right? So we'll just click on see more in account center. Once you click on that, here you will get this option of payments, which is the you can say in the bottom you see a option of payment. Just click over there, then you will get this Facebook Pay. In your case it would be show Meta Pay or something, right? So it's exactly same. We'll just click on this. Once we click, you will able to see all the details regarding your payment, how much payment you have received. If you just click on activity, all the transaction, all the minor transaction you have done over the Facebook by using the Facebook Pay or Meta Pay, and the recurring payments which you have if you're selling a product which you are charging monthly basis or yearly basis, annually basis, then you will able to see it here. If you just go to the setting, right here it will show the shipping address of yours and email and phone number, and if you have a security pin, then in this toggle will turn on. This is the currency. If you want to change the currency, you can change it from here, right? It's very easy. And in the home it will show the brief information about your Facebook Pay or Meta Pay. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.